All right. So what we're looking at today is the RAD robot, but with a battery pack replacement. Since most of you that have the toy don't have the battery pack that came with it. You can see here on the back, right there. Let's set this remote down here for a minute. Here's what the original battery pack looked like, and inside here there are 4 AA rechargeable batteries. I think they're NiCad, yeah, right there. They're going to be almost 30 years old now, even if you had one, so they may or may not work if you have one. If you don't have one, you could 3D print this little device here, which I've set up to use 4 C cells instead of the 4 AA NiCad cells. This whole box piece here prints as one. This little cover is a separate piece, so there's 2 parts. I've got 2 battery holders here. Use any kind of batteries you want. These are just some C cells that are laying around, so I designed it to use that instead of the AA's that would have fit in there. A couple of contacts. Files will be on Thingiverse, so you can make your own. Anytime you install the pack, of course the robot, if it's working right, should initialize.
Armed closing. Armed opening.
Like so.
Check complete.
Kind of got the 9-volt battery dangling out of the back of this remote here. Of course, on the remote you can do other things. You have a talk button. Hello, hello, hello. You can send your distorted voice through to it. Of course, you can control the waist. Let's try waist down. Or am I not blocking the picture? So if you were going to pick something up, for example, and you got waist up. This thing can be kind of hard on batteries. I mean, besides the motors, all of those lights that are in there, those are actual filament lights. They're not LEDs. And that's how old this thing is. Let's try the arms closed. There we go. And what are these buttons on the back? Oh, the fire and the shift. I haven't even tried that. I don't have the rockets loaded in that center chest piece there. But if they were there, apparently that would... Alright, let's try not to hit too many buttons at once. So there you have it, a replacement battery pack for the RAD robots that you can 3D print yourself and load up with whatever batteries you want to use. You want to use rechargeables, you want to use NiCad, great, put them in there, it'll hold them.